Demonstration of different methods of artificial respiration. Artificial respiration is indicated when there is no respiration but heart continues to beat. In such cases, artificial respiration with appropriate method will be indicated. This situation will arise in cases of drowning, suffocation in smoke, or when there is paralysis of respiratory muscles. If it is a drowning case, we prefer method which is in prone position. Now we will be seeing Schaeffer's method which is in prone position. Before proceeding for the method as such, precautionary measures are: tight clothes are to be loosened, patient is kept warm, froth from mouth and nose is cleaned, denture is removed, and patient is taken to fresh atmosphere. In Schaeffer's method, doctor kneels near patient's waist. He will be putting his palms on patient's loins, and by bending forward, he will be applying pressure. By this method, we are pushing abdominal viscera up so as to bring about expiration. When doctor is pressing on loin, expiration takes place. When doctor is bending backward, inspiration takes place. Inspiration lasts for 3 seconds. Expiration lasts for 2 seconds. This is roughly judged by saying words 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Main advantage of Schaeffer's method is its prone position. So water from abdomen and lungs can be easily drained. It is very simple method, non-tiring. It can be continued for long time. If there are injuries of thorax or back, this method can be used. The only disadvantage of this method is inspiration is passive, expiration is active, which is unphysiological. Similarly, if there are injuries of abdomen, this method cannot be used. Now we will have demonstration of Holger-Nelson's method, which is also in prone position. Doctor kneels near patient's head facing towards him. Doctor will pull patient's arms up. This will bring about inspiration. The doctor will leave hands on side, put his palms on patient's scapulae, and by bending forward, he will apply deep pressure on chest. This will cause expiration. Inspiration for 3 seconds, expiration for 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Main advantage of this method is, being in prone position, there is adequate drainage of water from abdomen and thorax. So it is good method in cases of drowning. If there are injuries of abdomen, this method can be used. Both inspiration and expiration are active, so good ventilation is obtained. Only disadvantage of this method is, it is a tiring method, so it needs assistance. Similarly, if there are injuries of scapulae, this method cannot be used. Thank you. Now we will have demonstration of Sylvester method. It is in supine position. In this method, a pillow is given below shoulders and neck is fully extended. Doctor will kneel near patient's head facing towards him. He will catch patient's wrist and by bending forward, he will pull arms up. This will cause inspiration. Then by bending forward, he will put deep pressure on his chest. This will cause expiration. Inspiration should last for 3 seconds, expiration for 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Main advantage of this method is both inspiration and expiration are active, so good ventilation is obtained. Disadvantages are being patient in supine position, there is no drainage of water from lungs. So this method is not to be used in drowning. It is a tiring method, it will need assistance. In cases of fracture of thorax, fracture of ribs, method cannot be used. Thank you. Now we will have demonstration of mouth-to-mouth method of artificial respiration. It is the best method of artificial respiration. Doctor kneels near patient's neck facing towards him. Pillow is given below shoulders so as to extend neck fully. With left hand, patient's nostrils are closed. Tissue paper or handkerchief is put on patient's mouth. Doctor will blow expired air into patient's mouth. This will cause inspiration. By taking mouth away, expiration occurs passively. Advantages of this method are, we are giving expired air to the patient which contains carbon dioxide. It stimulates patient's respiratory centers. Good ventilation is obtained. Inspiration is active, expiration is passive, which is purely physiological. It is best method of artificial respiration in newborn babies. The only disadvantage of this method is, as it is in supine position, water from abdomen, if it is not drained, may regurgitate back into the lung, may lead to respiratory infection. Thank you. Artificial respiration is started at the site of accident and it is continued till patient is shifted to the hospital. If patient starts breathing on his own, act of respiration is synchronized with that of his act of respiration. If there are signs of cardiac arrest by no pulsations at femoral artery, then external cardiac massage is indicated. It is given by putting left palm on xiphisternum and impacts are given with the right palm. Along with external cardiac massage, mouth-to-mouth respiration can be continued at a rate 4:1. Signs of death are fixed dilated pupils, not reacting to the light, no heart sounds heard, no pulse, no recordable blood pressure.